Hi, my name is Liliane Poirier, and today I'm going to make a curried squash soup. This is kind of exciting because it's autumn and I'll be using all local products. Potatoes, carrots, leeks, butternut squash, but you can use any type of squash that you'd like for this recipe. I'll be having minced garlic, olive oil, curry. I'm using the mild curry, but you can use the spicy one if you like. There'll be roasted almonds for garnish. And the leek here, well, you cut and discard the green part. You cut the root section off. You cut it in half like this, and you wash it under cold running water. You separate all the leaves to make sure that you get rid of all the dirt. And then you just slice them up. Now we're ready to start our soup with the garlic and the olive oil. In your pot at low temperature, you add 2 teaspoons of olive oil, your leek, and minced garlic. Now we cook leeks at a low temperature because if it browns, the leeks become very hard and then they're not edible. If leeks are unavailable, you can replace with 2 cups of diced onions. When the leek is tender, add 1 teaspoon of curry. Stir for 30 to 60 seconds until all the aromas have been released. Now you add 4 cups of squash, 1 large potato, 1 large carrot, 4 cups of homemade chicken broth. Bring this up to boiling, reduce heat, and cook for 30 minutes. Your vegetables are all cooked now, so we're taking a hand blender and creaming the soup until a nice consistency. Our soup is now ready to eat. Only 144 calories, wow. It's got vitamin A and vitamin B, so it's a really good healthy choice. We're just going to add a little bit of fresh pepper. And now to finish it off, we're just going to add a little bit of roasted almonds. So bon appetit. And please don't forget, think healthy, eat healthy. Bye.